To cancel your Uber One membership using the Uber app on your iPhone or Android device, start by opening the Uber app and selecting Account from the menu at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down to find and select Uber One. Once inside the Uber One section, scroll to the bottom and click on Manage Membership. From there, select End Membership and provide a reason for canceling. After that, tap Continue and confirm your decision by selecting End Uber One. Finally, tap Continue again, and you will be taken back to the page where you can rejoin Uber One if desired. At this point, your Uber One membership has been successfully cancelled.